All right, 10 days before he is scheduled to find his nomination from Kashi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is returning to Ayodhya today. This will be his first visit to the temple town after the announcement of the Lok Sabha elections. He last visited Ayodhya in January during the Pran Pratishtha that he performed and participated, ending the 500-year-long wait of the Hindu devotees. Now, this visit also assumes a lot of significance as it is coming right ahead of Prime Minister Modi seeking re-election from Varanasi. The Prime Minister's visit to his parliamentary constituency will happen on the 13th of May. He will be holding a roadshow and thereafter will be filing his nomination from the seat that he is seeking re-election from the third time. In Ayodhya, meanwhile, today, the Prime Minister first will be offering darshan and pujan at the Ram Mandir. This is expected to happen later in the day. In the evening, thereafter, he will proceed to have a 2-kilometer-long roadshow from Sugriv Fort to Lata Chowk, and cultural performances are also expected to happen along the route. The entire stretch of the roadshow that has been divided into 40 blocks, various communities that will be included there. When it comes to cultural performances that are also going to happen. Ram Ki Nagari, already Times Now's team is there, and they are also witnessing the preparations that have been made just before the Prime Minister's visit. Take a look.
Prime Minister Modi will be coming to Ayodhya to hold a mega road show in the temple town, and the temple town is being decked up to welcome Prime Minister Modi. You can see in the visuals, this is the gate from where Prime Minister Modi will be entering the Ram temple. He is expected to come at around 6:30 p.m. after which he will reach Ram temple at around 7 p.m. where he will do darshan and offer prayer. You can see in the visuals that the gate is being decked up with flowers and the different kind of photos of Lord Ram on each side of wall. There are different pictures of Lord Ram on both sides of the walls, and the police personnel have been deployed in entire temple town with the NSG and the ATS commandos. The people who are coming to offer prayers in Ram temple have been asked to go to the different gate. This is the VIP gate from where Prime Minister Modi will be coming. After offering his prayers in Ram temple, he will begin his roadshow. It's a 2-kilometer long roadshow which will start from Sugriv Tila all the way to Lata Mangeshkar Chowk.
The opposition is concerned even before the Prime Minister's arrival. They have been calling it as a flop show. However, Sanjay Raut has been saying that things are very clear after the second phase of elections that the BJP is facing imminent defeat and the Prime Minister rather is going to temples to seek votes.
दो चरण जो हो गए हैं चुनाव के, उसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी पिछड़ गई है, तो अब राम नाम सत्य है। राष्ट्रपति जी को वहां भेजकर कुछ काम करने का कोशिश किया है। अब खुद मोदी जी जा रहे हैं, द्वारका जाएंगे, मथुरा जाएंगे, अयोध्या जाएंगे, सभी मंदिर घूमेंगे, लेकिन विकास की बात नहीं करेंगे।
Well, that is the allegation or the attack that is coming in the way by from rather the opposition parties against the Prime Minister. And just before his Ayodhya visit, now that is being planned today, later in the day in the evening, where he will be also holding a mega roadshow. We have Adib and Abhishek both joining us live right now. Adib is from Ayodhya. In the meantime, Abhishek, Sanjay Raut already, and as far as the opposition is claiming that the roadshow today that will happen is already a flop show, because according to them, the situation is clear that the votes right after the second phase of election is not going in the favor of the NDA.
Definitely, you know, how Sanjay Raut has reacted to this entire roadshow and the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Ayodhya. He clearly points out that after the second phase, it is almost clear that BJP is losing its ground. So he made the use of these words, Ram Naam Satya Hai. So, you know, BJP is clearly facing the defeat, and that's the reason now nothing is left for them is just to seek vote in the name of Lord Ram. And we will be witnessing Prime Minister Modi not only in Ayodhya but in Mathura, but in Kashi. He will be roaming around temples and mandirs across India, and this is what is remain for the BJP, and they want to seek vote in the name of Lord Ram. And he doesn't want to speak on the development, the other issues of the common man, and he doesn't want to speak about the 10 years of his own government. Rather than he wants to seek vote in the name of Ram. And before Prime Minister going to Ayodhya, he also sent President Murmu over there to make an environment around there, but it will not help, and
but
BJP
Abhishek,
will lose.
many of those political parties who were sent across an invitation, many of them who denied or boycotted when it comes to the Pran Pratishtha ceremony, they have been saying that they will visit after the Pran Pratishtha ceremony gets over. Now, this is going to be the Prime Minister's second visit. Where are all those netas who were planning their visit to Ayodhya?
Definitely, it's a question that needs to be asked to the Sena of UBT faction, in fact to Sanjay Raut as well as Uddhav Thackeray. And I remember Uddhav Thackeray had also made a statement then that it is not necessary that we all should be a part of a political event by the BJP, and at the same time we will go and visit the Ram temple, but not at the same time when Prime Minister performs the Pran Pratishtha. But which is the date, which is the next date, is something that is not clear as of now. Moreover, he also has spoken on certain issues that, why has Prime Minister not visited a temple in Maharashtra rather than he continues to visit temple in Ayodhya. So definitely it's a straight and direct question to Sena UBT.
Since the Pran Pratishtha ceremony happened and Prime Minister's second visit, that is for today. But we are looking at very few in the opposition leaders who actually made that plan to actually come to Ram Mandir and seek blessings. In the meantime, ground report, let's play that out. Adeep continues to be with us in Ram Ki Nagari in Ayodhya. How the people have been reacting over the Prime Minister's today's visit. Listen in.
शहर में आपने क्या देखा है? शहर में कोई बदलाव देखा है आपने?
बदलाव तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। हमें अच्छा लगा यहाँ आकर के, और अच्छा लगा। हम यही सोचते हैं कि आगे चल करके और अच्छा बेहतर होगा। हमारे प्रभु राम को दर्शन करने के लिए सब लोग आएंगे।
आपका फेवरेट नेता कौन है?
मोदी।
आपका?
मोदी जी हैं, वो तो पूरे इंडिया के फेवरेट नेता हैं। बोल रहे हैं हमारे फेवरेट नेता मोदी हैं, मोदी को वोट भी देते हैं।
ठीक है।
जिस देश का प्रधानमंत्री इतना तेजस्वी हो, उस देश का रंग रूप कैसा होगा आप खुद देख लीजिए। जो
महंगाई है, देश में महंगाई है।
अब महंगाई उसके पहले क्या था? जब हमारा देश आजाद हुआ था तब तो डॉलर और रुपया दोनों बराबर था, तो महंगाई हुआ तभी न हुआ।
76 साल हो गए।
अब तो 76 साल में बदलाव तो हुआ है ना। बदलाव
आज आपको लगता है महंगाई बेरोजगारी है या नहीं है?
हर सुविधा को देखते हुए हमें महंगाई नहीं नजर आई।
आपको महंगाई नहीं लगती है?
सबके लिए व्यवस्था उन्होंने कर रखा है।
हम कमा नहीं रहे हैं,
दिक्कत किस चीज की है? गरीब को राशन मिल ही रहा है और सब चीजें की व्यवस्था।
ऑपोजिशन कहती है कि गरीब ही रहे, इसलिए उसको फ्री राशन दिया जाता है, नौकरी नहीं दी जाती है।
कुछ नहीं है मैम, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। वो देखने का नजरिया अलग है लोगों का।
बढ़िया। जनता कहती है देखने का नजरिया, बिल्कुल देखने का नजरिया बदल जाता है। आप मुझे बताइए, आप कहाँ से आई हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
दिल्ली से। मैं कह रही मोदी सरकार ने जो भी अपने वादे किए थे पूरे किए हैं, चाहे राम मंदिर का वादा हो, चाहे 370 धारा का हो, सब हटवाए हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि मोदी जी सही करते हैं और अपना वादा भी पूरा करते हैं।
अच्छा, आप जब चुनाव में वोट डालती है, आप क्या सोच के वोट डालती है?
कि वो अपने जो उन्होंने हमें वादा दिए वो पूरे किए कि नहीं किए हुए। जो केजरीवाल जो कहते हैं कि वो 5 साल की इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्री देंगे और हमें चुनाव में लेके आओगे, तो करते हैं। अब मोदी जी ने कहा कि वो राम मंदिर लेके आएंगे, तो राम मंदिर लाए। 370 धारा हटा दी।
अच्छा, आपने केजरीवाल जी का जिक्र किया। केजरीवाल बड़े नेता हैं या मोदी जी बेटर नेता है?
नहीं, मोदी जी ने बेटर नेता है।
और केजरीवाल वो आपको दिल्ली में बहुत कुछ फ्री देते हैं।
वो बस यही सुधार की वो फ्री कुछ देते हैं। बाकी वो ठीक है, मैं ये नहीं कह सकती। मोदी जी अपनी लेवल पे ठीक है और जो केजरीवाल जी वो अपने लेवल पे।
मतलब जनता को दोनों चाहिए। आपको सेंटर पे मोदी चाहिए और दिल्ली में आपको
दिल्ली में।
All right, let me take that question forward to Adeep now. Adeep, pan your camera please and show us around when it comes to the arrangements that have been made to welcome Prime Minister Modi today.
Well, Amita, I'm at the point from where Prime Minister Modi will be entering the Ram temple. Let me show you these visuals. This is the main gate from where Prime Minister Modi will be entering inside the Ram temple, and see how beautifully it is being decked up with flowers and pictures of the Lord Ram. Preparations are going on. The cutouts of Prime Minister Modi and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath have been placed on both sides of the road. You can see them in the visual. And this is the place from where Prime Minister Modi, first he will enter Ram Mandir, he will do darshan, he will offer prayers, and after that he will begin his road show from Sugriv, Katila, and then this 2-kilometer road show will continue till Lata Mangeshkar Chowk. Lakhs of people will be at that time when Prime Minister Modi will be holding his roadshow and will shower flowers on him. Cultural events have been organized by the local BJP leaders, and a mega roadshow is expected after 7 p.m. When Prime Minister Modi will be coming to the temple town.
Peak summers now, the temperatures are soaring above 40 degrees, and probably the time that has been chosen is in the evening, when as many people as can join the Prime Minister today when he carries out that roadshow in Ayodhya. Please do continue to be with us, Adib and Abhishek. We also talk about the politics that has now even started before the arrival of the Prime Minister in Ayodhya. Congress party has been calling this roadshow as a flop show.
हालात ये हैं, देश को लगातार बांटने की कोशिश की जा रही है। देश की कानून व्यवस्था ठप हो चुकी है, देश के संविधान को कमजोर किया जा रहा है। ऐसे में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के रोड शोज लगातार फ्लॉप हो रहे हैं। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है भगवान राम की नगरी में भी इनका जो साजिश है वो फेल होगी, और कहीं ना कहीं जो देश आज ज़रूरत जिस चीज़ की महसूस करता है वो इस सरकार को बदलने की पूरी तरीके से तैयार हो चुकी है। लड़ाई अब किसी पार्टी में नहीं रही है, लड़ाई आम जनता और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के बीच हो गई है, और जिसमें जनता जीतेगी।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।